Today we are going to see class 10th NCERT Science chapter number 12 Electricity, page number 200 in text question. Here you will find all question solution of NCERT. This today we are going to discuss in text question number 1. What does an electric circuit mean? A continuous and closed path of electric current is called an electric circuit. A continuous and closed path of electric current is called an electric circuit. As you are seeing here, a simple electric circuit. In this simple electrical circuit, we have one important component, that is cell. Okay, without cell or battery, circuit may not complete. Then a switch for on off, a bulb or a device. Here we have extra knowledge corner for you to give something more additional knowledge beside the answer of question. Components of electric circuit. Main components, minimum component required to complete electric circuit is number 1 is a cell, source of energy. It may be a battery combination of cell, it may be AC device or AC main source. This is source of energy, source of potential difference, which actually able to drift electrons. Second is a resistor, a device, any device like bulb here. Number 3, a switch on-off device, switch on-off device. And number 4, we need connecting wire, metallic wire. Simply we consider that its resistance is 0. So in this way we can draw symbolically also simple electrical circuit. If you see here, a resistor, a switch, a cell or battery connected in series makes a simple circuit. If we put on the switch, current start to flow from positive end to negative end. Current always flows from positive end of battery to negative end of battery. If you want to measure current, you can add ammeter, current measuring device in series, and voltmeter, potential difference measuring device in parallel. This is all about a simple electrical circuit. A continuous and closed path of electric current is called electric circuit. For class 10th, NCERT question number 1, page number 200 in text question.